Hey, welcome back to the channel for a little haul here. I don't do a lot of hauls, so let's just do one. First item we have here, I got this for $2.50. It was on sale. And it's this little Brooklyn Nets little jacket. Perfect for the spring, you know, not too shabby. You know, with the summer coming, this is not a big, with the summer coming, this is not a very high value item, but this is pretty nice. Got this for $1, little Hollister thingy. Look at this here. Look at that. Not too bad. I mean, for $1, if I'm lucky, I can get 20 for this. If I'm lucky. With baseball season about to start, got this for $2. You know, people in Pittsburgh buy a lot of Pittsburgh gear. I've never been around so much sports gear in my life, and I'm from Massachusetts. There's Pittsburgh and Pirates stuff everywhere. Pittsburgh Steelers and Pirates stuff everywhere. This is Pittsburgh's Pirates majestic little windbreaker. So this should go pretty quickly. Look what I just found. I was about to show you guys this jersey. Look, Stanford jersey, right? You know, Stanford jersey by Coliseum, right? Yeah, Coliseum. I thought they were pretty reputable, but what the hell is this, bro? What is this? Is that the Oklahoma Sooners logo? I'm 100% that's University of Oklahoma on a Stanford on a Stanford jersey. Is Coliseum out here making bootleg? Is Coliseum out here making bootlegs? Look at this. Coliseum is out here making bootlegs, bruh. So that's a dud, unless it's like super rare and it's like a collector's item, because it's either they messed it up or this is fake. So there. This is the Dirty Ghetto Kids. I didn't call them that. I didn't call them that. This is the actual name of this brand. It's called Dirty DGK, Dirty Ghetto Kids. This looks like it's from like the 90s. This is cool. This is cool. I haven't looked up the comps for this, and looks pretty cool. Speaking of cool, good thing kids out there love to be cool. You know? Love to be cool. They love to be cool to pay $65 for a pair of Jordan sweatpants. My God. You know, nice Jordan sweatpants, new with tags. I got this for like $2. You know, this is a good find. Kids love to be cool. Good thing I've never tried to be cool. What? What? What's on my feet? Oh, these are nothing. These are just some Louis Ferraganos, baby. Yeah, look at these. Look at the horseshoe. You know, something light. Some Louis Ferraganos. Some Ferragamo shoes, you know. I got these for $5. You know, I'm already starting off on my shoe collection. You know, some Ferraganos. What? What did you say? What's that? What's that cool shirt? Oh, this is nothing. I got two of them. I got two of them. This is from the 90s. You know, some Survivor shirt. You know, a little Survivor shirt. You know, it's nothing. You know, challenging my inner badass right here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, you know, good thing I don't try to be cool. I got one more. Look at this. This right here is London Underground. These go for about $40. I've never seen this brand. It's called London Underground. This style right here is called the Beckham. Beckham. What? What is it? What? Jacket? Ah, this is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. What? You want me to model it for you? You know? You guys ask for too much. The guys ask for too much, huh? Just like that? It's good? Yeah? Oh, it's not, this right here is nothing. It's just Dale Earnhardt, you know, senior. Dale Earnhardt Senior, you know, black leather jacket. Look at this. Right? Look at the patches on this baby. Or how much I paid for it, you know, $25,000. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You know? Look at the patches on this. Look at this. Oh. Oh, man. Yeah, it goes nice with my Atlanta Olympics hat. I got these for $1. Yeah, you know, Atlanta Olympics hat. Goes nice with my brand new, you know, Dale Earnhardt. Oh, the leather smells good. Yeah. Have you ever found something that you just want to keep? You know, I mean, I can't keep this. I can't keep this. I paid up for this. I paid about $25 for this. You know, $25 for this. And I will have to resell it, man. But I'm gonna wear it around the house all day, you know? Get this leather smell all up on me. The reason why I can't keep this jacket, Biggie Smalls says, don't get high on your own supply. Number 5, never sell crack where you rest at. Even if they want an ounce, tell them bounce. Not the crack part, but you know, not getting high on your own supply stuff. So I guess I have to sell this. This is nice. I don't find a lot of nice things, guys, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I don't find a lot of like nice things, especially in the part of town where I'm from. But this, oh, look at the back. Look at that. Yeah. So that's it. I mean, I guess this, you could call this a haul, or this is, you know, just trying to show off the jacket. But you guys can't judge me. Look at that. Yeah. So I will be selling this jacket. Got it for $25. The best pickup I've had in a while. And I actually was contemplating not picking it up. I mean, $25. I did the research. Oh. Some people, one guy have sold this for $150. That was back in December around Christmas. A lot of other people sell it around $80. So I don't know the price that I'm gonna be selling this for. There was another one, the canvas one. But the canvas one also was $25, and that is more consistent in like the 60s, you know, the 60s, 70s. And I just didn't feel comfortable wrapping up $25, you know, just to make that flip. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think about this jacket. If you think it's pretty fancy out here in these streets, you know. It's an XL. If it was 2XL, I might have kept it for real, but just an XL. Alright. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Peace.